go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and the finger turns around. Do a prep and turn the follower. Ditto. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Optional Evelyn turn. Lean rocks in. Bring her around. Bring her behind. Break her movement. Turn the follower and a dummy hero. Move to my partner. Cross body lead. Now we will pretend that the center is here. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. El Clasico. Here we go. 1, 2, embrace. Quick and chufla. Quick and chufla, and the leader turns around. Do a prep and turn the follower. Ditto. Quick. 16 beats of ditto. Bump, bump. And then what I call sombrero de neri. Quick, slow. Bring her around. Break her movement. Turn the follower. 5, 6, 7, move. 3, cross body lead. Out and together. Forward and together. Zigzag. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and the arms come up. Walk around. Switch the arms. Walk around. Switch the arms. Walk around. Exhibe. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And reach. And reach. And a reach. And reach. And the lead rocks in and cross body lead. Logical clave complicado. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Move to my partner, cross body lead.